How precast concrete is revolutionizing construction. Precast concrete has become a game changer in the construction industry, offering a host of benefits that streamline building processes and enhance project outcomes. Unlike traditional cast-in-place concrete, precast concrete is cast off-site in a controlled environment, then transported and assembled at the construction site. This innovative approach delivers faster timelines, superior quality, and increased efficiency. Here's how precast concrete is transforming construction. Efficiency in construction. Precast concrete accelerates project timelines through its streamlined production and off-site manufacturing. Streamlined manufacturing. Precast concrete is produced in specialized facilities using advanced machinery for precision and consistency. The process design, mold preparation, casting, curing, and finishing runs concurrently, enabling efficient production cycles and high-quality components. I am Kelechi Samchris from Samrat Engineering and 29 Solid Construction. And in today's episode, we are talking about precast concrete structures. Faster construction timelines. By manufacturing components off-site, precast concrete allows simultaneous on-site and off-site work, slashing construction timelines. This reduces labor costs, minimizes disruptions, and speeds up project completion compared to traditional methods. Strength and durability. Precast concrete delivers exceptional strength and longevity, making it ideal for diverse applications like high-rise buildings, bridges, and industrial facilities. Superior structural performance. The controlled factory environment ensures strict quality control, producing components that withstand heavy loads, harsh weather, and seismic events with minimal risk of failure. Long-term resilience. Unlike wood or steel, precast concrete resists rot, rust, and degradation, reducing maintenance costs and extending the lifespan of structures. This durability translates to lower lifecycle costs for owners and developers. Cost effectiveness. Precast concrete offers significant savings in labor and materials, making it a budget-friendly choice. Lower labor costs. With precast components delivered ready for installation, fewer on-site workers are needed compared to traditional methods. This reduces labor expenses and minimizes errors or delays, minimal material waste. Precise casting to exact specifications reduces excess material use. Surplus concrete can be recycled for future production, lowering costs and environmental impact, environmental sustainability. Precast concrete supports eco-friendly construction through efficient material use and reduced emissions. Optimized material use. Controlled casting minimizes waste by using precise measurements, reducing the environmental footprint of construction projects compared to traditional methods. Lower carbon footprint. Precast concrete production consumes less energy, resulting in fewer greenhouse gas emissions. Its superior insulation properties also enhance energy efficiency, cutting heating and cooling costs over time. Design flexibility and aesthetic appeal. Precast concrete combines practicality with creative freedom, appealing to architects and designers. Customization options. From varied shapes and sizes to finishes mimicking wood, stone, or brick, precast concrete offers endless design possibilities. It seamlessly integrates with diverse architectural styles. Architectural versatility, whether creating sleek modern facades or intricate details, precast concrete adapts to any aesthetic. It's used for structural elements, cladding, and decorative features, making it a favorite for both contemporary and traditional designs. Safety and quality control. Precast concrete prioritizes safety and quality, ensuring reliable and secure construction. Stringent quality standards. Factories enforce rigorous quality checks with regular inspections and testing to ensure components meet or exceed industry standards for strength and durability. Enhanced safety protocols. Off-site manufacturing reduces on-site hazards like extensive formwork and scaffolding, improving worker safety and minimizing accident risks during construction. Why choose precast concrete? Precast concrete's unmatched benefits: speed, durability, cost savings, sustainability, and design flexibility make it a top choice for modern construction. As the industry evolves, precast concrete will continue to shape the future, delivering durable, sustainable, and visually stunning solutions for the built environment. Embrace precast concrete for your next project and build smarter, faster, and better. Column connections in seismic areas and seismic zones. Structures must withstand earthquakes without collapsing. Traditional designs often rely on over-designed, oversized columns for added strength. However, energy-dissipating bolted connections enable slimmer column cross-sections, saving up to 20% of concrete while maintaining safety. This makes them a smart choice for seismic resilience and material efficiency. Why choose the right connection? Each column connection method, socket, starter bar, and bolted, offers unique benefits. Socket connections are reliable but rigid, starter bars provide strength but require precision, and bolted connections excel in speed, flexibility, and seismic performance. Selecting the right method depends on project needs, site conditions, and performance goals, ensuring safe, efficient, and cost-effective construction. Now let's explore the 3 key column connection methods. Column connections are critical for structural stability in construction. Here's a clear look at 3 prominent methods: socket, starter bar, and bolted connections, along with their applications including in seismic areas. Socket connection. A time-tested method. Socket connections date back to ancient Rome, where columns were set into holes and secured with volcanic ash grout. Today's approach is similar but more refined. Here is how it works. A column is placed into a precast or cast-in situ concrete socket. Wooden wedges or supports hold the column in precise alignment during installation. Non-shrink grout is then poured to secure it. Once grouted, adjustments are impossible, requiring careful initial positioning. The key considerations. This method is reliable but less flexible, as it demands precise setup and lacks adjustability post-grouting. The starter bar connection. Starter bar connections use reinforcing bars to anchor columns to foundations, offering a robust but labor-intensive approach. Here is how it works. Rebars protrude from the foundation, and the column is cast with holes, often using corrugated pipes to accommodate the bars and grout. The column is lowered onto the rebars, supported temporarily, and secured with non-shrink grout poured manually. Precise positioning is critical during curing. In some cases, rebars extend from the column, requiring holes in the foundation instead. Key considerations is that this method ensures strong connections but requires careful alignment and on-site grouting, increasing labor and time. And last on the list is the bolted connection method. The bolted connections offer speed and versatility using anchor bolts and column shoes to create a moment-resisting joint. And here is how it works. Anchor bolts are cast into the foundation using a template transferring tension, compression, and shear forces to the concrete base. Column shoes cast into the column at a precast factory align with the bolts. The column is lowered, and nuts are tightened to a specified torque using standard hand tools, taking about 20 minutes per column with a crane operator and 2 ground workers. Non-shrink grout fills the bolt recesses and joint beneath, but the connection is secure immediately after tightening, eliminating the need for wedges or braces. Key advantages: bolted connections allow column-to-column splicing, unlike socket or starter bar methods. They reduce foundation thickness, minimize excavation, and avoid interference with existing structures. Lowering costs, their speed and adjustability make them highly efficient. Thank you for watching, and see you on the next one.